Cool. What do we got for the housing provider tip of the week?
So housing provider tip of the week, my commercial brokerage team taught me this many years ago, and I've used it on the development side or on the rehabbing side for our clients as well too. But Google Earth. So on Google Earth, not necessarily when you just Google something up, but when you download the actual Google Earth app, they have a measurement tool that you can measure the top of buildings. So when you're measuring a 6 flat or a 2 flat or even a single family, you're trying to understand the square footages. There's a lot of different floor plans out there. So a 3-1 in one building might be a lot different than, might be 3-1 might be 900 square feet, and another building at 3-1 might be 1,800 square feet. So understanding how big a building is, you could literally use the measurement tool in Google Earth to literally show that the building's 65 feet deep versus maybe 35 feet in the building you're trying to comp. So it's kind of a cool little tip, trying to just measure things and not have to leave your desktop or assume when you're trying to either figure out rents or figure out what price you want to offer.